This is too much fun. Okay, I gotta start being serious. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karis. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some fall petite styling tips. So, I am personally really short. I'm barely 5'1", and I just have a really hard time finding clothes that fits me properly during the fall and winter seasons. A lot of the clothes that we see in the stores are just made for taller girls, and I often just feel like I can't really buy those things and pull them off. So, today, I just want to share with you all just like the little tips and tricks that I have found that really helps elongate my body so I don't look super duper short. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Also, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't ever miss out on videos like this. That is it for the intro, and we are now just going to hop right into the video.
Okay, so my very first advice for you is to avoid wearing super baggy, oversized sweaters. So I actually don't really have any oversized sweaters. This is literally like the biggest sweater that I have. So I love this. I wear it all the time. But if I really want to look a little taller, I go for a cropped sweater instead. This isn't super duper baggy, so it's okay. It's so comfortable, guys. I love it. It's so comfortable. But if I want to wear something a little bit more elongating, I wear a cropped sweater instead, and I will show you a few different ones that I have. Hold on. Okay, so the first cardigan I wanted to show you all is this Maroon cardigan. This, I've had it for like 4 years. It's one of my favorites. It's so soft. It has not like lost its softness because I don't really wash it all the time. And it is cropped, so like it's oversized around the sleeves, but because it's cropped, it doesn't look like it's just gonna like weigh me down and swallow me. This is kind of what it looks like from farther away.
So as you can see there, the top on the right just makes me look a lot taller because you can actually see my legs. Also, if you like any of the clothes I talk about in this video, I will make sure I link everything in the description down below, so feel free to check it out.
Okay, so another thing you want to avoid as a petite is sweaters with this big neck hole thing going on. That just does not flatter our bodies. Again, by the way, everything I have to say in this video, it's just opinion based. If you like sweaters with something like this, wear it. It's okay. Personally, I just think it just swallows my body. It looks like I just have no upper body going on. It does not give me any definition. Granted, this is a size medium because it is one of my friends. I don't have anything like this anymore, so I literally I went to their closet, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna steal some of your guys' clothes because they're like 5'10", they're super tall, have such cute styles, but it's not stuff that I can pull off because I'm 5'1". So this is theirs. So something like this, I would not recommend on a petite body frame. It's giving you no definition, and this area right here just makes it look like you're even shorter than what you are. I don't know. Yeah, like, this ain't it. So I'm going to show you what I wear instead, because I still like collars. I still like high neck things, crew necks, is that what you call them? Turtlenecks. I still like that kind of stuff. But there is a way you can incorporate that without making it look like you're a midget. So let's go. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite sweaters. I like this because it has like a high neck, but it doesn't droop. It's like that, the droopy effect that the other sweater had, that's kind of what makes it look like it's just so oversized, but because it just stops up here, it actually kind of elongates my body. And also this is cropped as well, and so it just stops right at my waistline, and because it's cropped, it doesn't look too oversized. So this sweater is another alternative that I really like. It has some stuff going on up here, but it's not super overwhelming. It's just simple. It's going down. It's not droopy. I can zip it up higher if I want. And again, it is kind of cropped, so it's not super duper long and baggy, and it's not too overwhelming around the neck area. Another thing you want to avoid as a petite is wearing cardigans that are just so oversized and have a lot going on at the sleeves. I feel like I could take a solid nap on this. It is like, I feel like I have little pillows on my wrist and my hands. Wow. So, this is actually one of my friends again. Granted, it is a size medium or large, and I am a small. But even if this came in a size small, something like this would not be very good on a petite body because it just overwhelms our body. Like, look at this. It looks comfortable, and it is, but I like to go for, again, a cropped cardigan instead of these big baggy cardigans. So I'm going to show you all my alternative, but I'm just shook. I feel like I can fly. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with this video. Let me just show you my alternative to this. Okay, so I like to go for something like this instead when it comes to cardigans. I got this from American Eagle as well. It's soft. I love it. But I like this because, one, you can wear it like as a sweater if you want. If I want to just like button this up. I'm not going to do that right now. But it's cropped so it doesn't overwhelm my body. There's not a lot going on. However, I know like I can do this during the fall, but like towards the winter it does get pretty cold. So if you still want to do long cardigans, I would just recommend in getting something that's more like slim fitting instead of like super baggy, and then cardigans that just don't have like too much going on around the sleeves and stuff. And I actually have a couple. I got one from Target 2 years ago and I loved it so much I had to go back and get it in a different color, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, so one of my favorite long cardigans that I have is this particular cardigan. I love it because it's long, but it doesn't really make my body look super short, and that is because it is slim fitted. Unlike the other cardigan I had on earlier, it was just super baggy and very droopy. Like, I think it was actually not as long as this one, but because it was just so droopy and had so much going on around the sleeves, it just made it look baggier and longer. But this one is just super slim and just fits really well on my body. And it's just so soft and so comfortable. I loved it so much, I had to go get it in this particular color. Again, I've had these for 2 years and they still have not like lost their softness. So just because you're short, it does not mean you can't wear long cardigans and, you know, like the oversized stuff. It's just you have to find the right kind of oversized items, if that makes sense. As a petite, you also want to avoid pairing baggy on baggy. What I mean by that is if you're wearing a really long baggy cardigan like I'm wearing right now, you definitely do not want to pair it with a baggy t-shirt. That is because you want to make sure you can see like your body definition. So what I recommend is wearing a nice fitted tank top. And guys, I literally have found the best tank tops on earth at Walmart. Yes, you heard me right, Walmart. So Walmart actually has been stepping up their game and they are having like really cute stuff in there. And I got these two tank tops for $2.85 each. How crazy is that? $2.85. They are ribbed, which I love like the ribbed material because it's more slimming and more fitting and it's soft. So again, you know me, I love anything soft. And so I really like to pair my longer cardigans with these two tank tops. So here it is, the same cardigan but with the tank top. This looks so much better. You can see that I have a body after all. It's not hidden under the bagginess of that shirt. Also, again, I'm wearing high-waisted jeans. This just elongates my body. Another thing you want to avoid as a petite is wearing tops with just very loud, big, crazy patterns. What I mean by that is like, I don't have any of these shirts, but those checker patterns that are very big in like the fall time. The reason for that is if you have just really big, bold patterns, it kind of just, again, overwhelms your body and hides your body frame. However, I love patterns, I love bright colors, so that doesn't mean you just completely avoid it. Instead, go for more subtle patterns. So I'm just going to show you a few tops and dresses that I have patterns, but they aren't super crazy or overwhelming. I'm not going to try these on, I'm just going to show you all so you have a better idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so first off, this shirt. So there is a lot of patterns going on. However, it's not super duper overwhelming. Like, there's still a lot, but first of all, it is cropped, as you probably have guessed. So it isn't super long. And I love the flowers. They're not huge, but you know, you can still tell, like, there's character going on with this shirt. And then I have these two dresses. This one has like little like white hearts, and then this one has polka dots, if you guys can see that. And I love these because, you know, like, they give me patterns, however they're not overwhelming. So for example, if the dots were just a lot bigger on these dresses, it would just the dots would just hit me at weird spots and just make my body look very choppy. Just would not look good. However, because these are like smaller patterns, they just look a lot better on smaller body frame. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. Also, if you want to see more styling tips for petites, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Originally, I was actually going to show you all how, like, the kind of bottoms to avoid and shoes to avoid and stuff like that. But by the time I was done filming just the top section, I literally, like, this video ended up being 20 minutes before editing it. So, I'm not going to do those tips on this video, but I will love to share those tips with you all. So if you want me to, comment down below, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go ahead and watch these two other videos for now. But until next time, bye!